What's your dream? What is it you want to accomplish? Are you doing what you really want to do in life? Where are you going with your life? Why do you exist? Do you happen to know who you really are? Do you really need to have a reason for your existence? Absolutely. Listen. Listen to the ignite fire within. Be alert. Be sensitive. Within you, deeply lies the power that can make the invisible visible and the intangible tangible. The key to living a more fulfilling life you ever imagined goes within you. And it is us who must transform. Accept that life is hard, and transforming our lives, our abilities, is very hard for 1,000 reasons. But it is our responsibility to create our life's work in something we are passionate about, because that's the most effective way we can create happiness in our life. It is the best path to challenge us, and it is the most effective way to serve others. Your work is to discover your work, and then, with all your heart, give yourself to it. Recognize that work and life are an interconnected adventure, guided by the heart, fueled by the spirit, and nourished by the soul. Surround yourself with awareness, believing in what is intrinsically special and unique. Believing in yourself and your ability to play the part you have to play to fulfill your purpose. Start now. A journey of many miles starts with a single step. Remember now and forever that happiness is there, fully accessible, waiting to be claimed. Live your life out loud. Live to the fullest. Live every day at a much higher level than you ever imagined possible. Care, and care desperately about what makes your heart skip a beat, and about what resembles inside your mind and soul. With always increasing determination, push yourself hard, and push yourself continually to live out loud your dream. To live a life of gladness, all of us have to make a conscious decision about the future and the glorious wonders we want to create. Embrace new ways of seeing, thinking, feeling, and doing. Life is an ongoing dialogue with change. I want to urge you, convince, and persuade you in pursuit of your passion to go beyond the extra mile. I humbly offer these words of power to encourage, inspire, and enthuse the inner journey we must travel to our life's work. But how can I set the right priorities for my life? How can I make my vision a concrete reality? How can I know what my vision is? I will help you make the necessary adjustments in your life so you can know how to plan for the future and stop making the same mistakes and decisions that have you hindered in the past. You will identify your vision's goals and stay on course, overcome obstacles to your vision, learn the principles necessary to fulfilling your life's dream. You will develop a plan and live the life you were always meant to live.